Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video of myself cleaning a car mat with a Bissel wet vac extractor. This will be a very simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my Bissel Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it to clean this car mat. Now this car mat is not extremely dirty, it is just kind of dirty. It's from a relatively new vehicle and it is fairly clean for the most part, but you'll be amazed at what kind of dirt comes out from this when we extract it. So it's really easy to use this device. I absolutely love it. You basically fill it up with water and any potential cleaning solution that you want to use. It comes with some, as you can see over there, but you can even use your own, or you can use just the water, and then you spray the water onto the fabric that you want to clean, and then it extracts the water by vacuuming it up, and it does get quite dirty, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the machine on. I'm probably not going to talk that much when the machine's on because it does get quite loud. We're going to spray the mat and then we're going to extract it. Now I am using, just for full disclosure, just plain water because it's not that dirty. And I'm not really trying to detail this. I'm just trying to experiment at how clean I can get it, even just using plain water. Yeah, so that's basically it. But if you do want to use any solution, you can also, or formula, you can also add that into the mix. So when I turn the machine on, I'm probably not going to talk much, but I am going to show you what it looks like when we extract from there. And I'll probably even zoom in just so you can see really up close and personal that dirt that it's pulling up, okay? So I'm going to start by wetting the mat as I turn the machine on, then I'll extract it. Let's go! I'm going to keep going, but I'm just going to zoom back out for a minute here. You saw how dirty that was, and that wasn't even that, like, that was just the first little level of extraction without any solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep going. I'm going to see how clean I can get this mat using only water, no solution, and with just a quick extraction. It's not going to be like a 20-minute video or anything. It's just going to be quick. So stay tuned. I'll try and keep the hose facing you so that you can see what it looks like. All right, let's go again. Wow. So first and foremost, I love the satisfaction of just watching that dirt being lifted up. Secondly, I didn't think this mat was that dirty, but it is. You saw the coloration of that water coming up. And thirdly, if you want to do an in-depth cleaning with something like this extractor, you can do an in-depth cleaning. You can take your time. You can scrub everything first. You can use a cordless drill attachment to scrub the solution in. But for myself, I just wanted to do a little bit of a test to see realistically how dirty something like this was, even though it didn't look that dirty. And it was quite dirty. What I'll do, just for argument's sake, is I'm going to take off the dirty water tank. And with the dirty water tank, I didn't use this. I was doing some other videos with the product earlier tonight. So I really just vacuumed up just a little bit of water over the concrete earlier when I did a previous video. So just for full disclosure, I did vacuum up a little bit of water from the concrete just to demonstrate the unit. But the rest of the dirt is from this mat. So I'm going to just lift it up. Not going to fully empty it out yet, but look at the, okay. Look at that coloration. Look at that. Oh, wow, that's ridiculous. Just from this mat. Okay, so that's basically it. I just really wanted to show you myself cleaning a car mat using a Bissel wet vac extractor. Okay, if you want more videos like this, let me know. Drop a comment below telling me what you want me to extract next, because I want to use this product, this item that I bought. I love it, and I want to use it on many more things. I've already used it on so many things. I've already used it on a couch, a mattress, car mats, car seats, the interior of a car. But I'm going to make videos on all those. But what else do you want me to use it on? And if you're looking forward to those videos of myself using this extractor and all those things, then hit the subscribe button, because they're going to be coming out in the very, very near future. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.